All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Thursday's adverbs. So here, in this location, here. She is riding her bike here. I am here at home. Here at home. Why isn't she here with him? Why isn't she here with him? Do you see the book here? Do you see the book here? No. I am sat here in my chair. Yes. Very good. They are riding the bikes here. She will soon be here. We were here last night. See, last night we were all here. We were all here together. Yeah. How cool is that? I am always here at home. Yeah. Yeah, do you think they will be here with me? Well, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah. Yeah. I think you should should come here instead. See, I think you should come here instead of going there or going there. I will be here tomorrow too. Yeah. See, I will be here tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow. Yeah. She won't be here. But she won't be here. No, she won't be here. How cool is that? Yeah. So here. I am here in England. Here. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use here in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me here on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.